In this video, we will learn about M-System's STEPTOP electric actuators with a focus on application examples in pulp and paper mills. Paper products can be found throughout our daily lives, from printing paper for newspapers and other publications to industrial paper for packaging and corrugated fiberboard, as well as tissue paper and healthcare products. The pulp and paper mills where these products are made feature various paper-making machines and control systems that operate around the clock. When constructing these control systems, reliable control valves are essential, and M-System's STEPTOP electric actuators play an important role in the operation of those valves. STEPTOP actuators can be used to drive various types of control valves. M-System's lineup includes MSP series and PSN series linear motion actuators, and MRP series and PRP series rotary motion actuators. Many control valves with STEPTOP electric actuators have been put to use in plants across the globe. First, let's take a closer look at the rotary motion type PRP series to see how these actuators offer such high torque and high resolution. The PRP is driven by a stepping motor, enabling high torque and high resolution above 1/1000th. Meanwhile, microcomputer control ensures excellent responsiveness with no overshoot. Triple reduction gears and worm gears with minimal backlash transmit that high torque with high accuracy. The sturdy construction also offers high vibration resistance and durability. The PRP2 also uses planetary gears in its reduction mechanism, enabling a maximum torque of 600 Newton meters despite the compact package. Control valves with STEPTOP electric actuators do not need any of the instrument air systems typically required for pneumatic control valves, such as compressors, dryers, and filters, or other ancillary equipment such as air headers and IP transducers. Control operation is immediately possible just by connecting a power supply and applying a current of 4 to 20 milliamps. As a result, the cost of the equipment, including the control valve itself, is 1/5 that of the pneumatic type, and the energy consumption is 1/10. In addition, the electric type does not require complicated maintenance work like the pneumatic type. Next, let's look at some of the main applications of STEPTOP actuators in pulp and paper mills. The first example is a pulp mill. Second is a corrugated fiberboard plant from preparation to paper making. Third is a stock valve in a paper mill. Fourth is cross-directional control in a paper mill. And finally, we will look at the applications in utility facilities. Let's start with the pulp mill. Here we can see how a STEPTOP actuator is being used in the production of kraft pulp, or KP, a typical chemical pulp. The kraft pulping process includes chip handling, cooking and washing, bleaching, and screening. These processes are needed to create pulp with the required strength and whiteness. This image shows a STEPTOP device being used in the bleaching process. The pipes are used to move chlorine dioxide solution or other bleaching fluids, so FRP resin, which has a high chemical resistance, is used for the piping. A V-port ball valve, which is also made of a chemical-resistant alloy, is used for the control valve. This critical production line uses a PRP series STEPTOP actuator to enable precise control of the V-port ball valve. This model is used for several reasons. First is the compact package with triple reduction gears and worm gears. Second is the stepping motor used as a drive source, which provides good controllability to help stabilize product quality. Next, let's look at a corrugated fiberboard plant. Corrugated fiberboard plants can be categorized into containerboard plants and corrugated fiberboard production plants. Containerboard plants are where thick, strong paperboard, known as corrugated fiberboard, is made. This paperboard is used for the top and bottom liners, fluting inside fiberboard, and other applications. In a corrugated fiberboard production plant, the liners and fluting are processed into corrugated fiberboard sheets before being made into corrugated boxes and other products. Containerboard plants perform integrated production, from pulp to corrugated fiberboard. Here we see the equipment used in these plants, beginning with the pulper used to dissolve pulp. In this picture, we can see the STEPTOP actuator used in the pulper. Dilution water is used to dissolve pulp. A V-port ball valve is used as the control valve, and because a large amount of metered dilution water is sent to the pulper all at once, vibration occurs in the piping. The PRP2 STEPTOP actuator is used to enable precise control of the V-port ball valve. There are several reasons why this model is used. First, the planetary gears in the reduction mechanism enable high torque output despite the compact package. Second, this model offers high vibration resistance and durability. Third, the control board coating is highly resistant to corrosive gas. Next, we see STEPTOP devices being used in paper-making processes. STEPTOP actuators are being used in the concentration control loops for diluting pulp and in the lines for controlling the dilution water tank level. A V-port ball valve, which is ideal for controlling pulp and dilution water, is used as the control valve. There is also a PRP series STEPTOP actuator used to enable precise control of the V-port ball valve. There are several reasons why this model is used. The first is because most of the plant's control valves have been already converted to electric types to save energy. The second is the PRP series high accuracy, reliability, and durability when used to drive the rotary valve. In the next example, we have a stock valve in a paper mill. Stock valves are standard valves for determining the basis weight of paper produced by the paper-making machine. In the previous process of stock preparation, various pulp materials are blended together before being sent to the paper-making process. The valve used to precisely control the stock pulp input amount, which is the basis of production, is called a stock valve. A resolution of 1/1000th or 0.1% is generally required for operation with a stock valve, but this level of accuracy is difficult with a pneumatic actuator, so electric actuators have become standard. In this picture, we can see the STEPTOP actuator used in the stock valve. Inside the pipe is a 3 to 3.5% pulp fluid, which is being sent to the paper-making machine. The V-port ball valve being used as the control valve features polished interior walls and pipe walls. Using a PRP series STEPTOP actuator here allows for effective use of the 1/1000th resolution to maintain high product quality. There are several reasons for using this model. First, it meets the 1/1000th resolution requirement. Second, the package is compact and lightweight. Finally, the cost is lower and the delivery lead time is shorter than similar conventional products. In paper mills, STEPTOP actuators are also used for cross-directional control of paper-making machines. This example shows how a STEPTOP actuator controls the cross-directional consistency of stock pulp in a paper-making machine, an essential quality control element. In cross-directional control machines, anywhere from several dozen to 100 or more distribution pipes are arranged cross-directionally across the headbox of the paper-making machine, with each pipe carrying stock pulp at a carefully controlled density. This device is known as a mixing plate. Dilution water injection lines are connected to the pulp header through the mixing plate. The flow rate of these injection lines is controlled by dilution water valves and actuators. Here we can see compact MRP series rotary motion STEPTOP actuators being used with the dilution water valves. This model is used for several reasons. The first reason is that it meets the high 1/1000th resolution requirement. The second reason is that the compact package allows the device to be installed closely together in tight intervals. The third reason is this model is also compatible with CC-Link and other open network communication protocols, reducing the wiring even with numerous control valves. The fourth reason is the high reliability of these made-in-Japan devices. The final example includes various application examples of utility facilities. These pulp and paper mill utility facilities include water treatment, wastewater treatment, boilers, power generation, and waste gas control. STEPTOP actuators can be used in various ways in these facilities. This concludes our look at some typical applications of STEPTOP actuators in pulp and paper mills. M-System has been issuing collaboration catalogs with various valve manufacturers by mutual agreement. The era of electric control valves has finally arrived, and M-System STEPTOP electric actuators are recommended for any pulp and paper mill customers looking to reduce equipment costs and save energy. Thank you very much.